Are you looking for the best guitar amps? In this video we will look at some of the best guitar amps on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fender 65 Deluxe Reverb. The Fender 65 Deluxe Reverb delivers legendary warm electric guitar tone and plenty of volume, making it a great all-around choice for stage and studio applications. The iconic Fender 65 Deluxe Reverb is an industry favorite combo guitar amp known for its crisp clean tones, gritty tube overdrive, and tonal flexibility at a wide range of volumes that make it a perfect vehicle for playing rock, jazz, blues, country, and many other styles. The 65 Deluxe Reverb is the mid-sized offering in Fender's historically inspired black panel line, which includes the 65 Princeton Reverb and 65 Twin Reverb. It comes with a 12-inch Jensen speaker and 22 watts of power that give it ample flexibility and headroom in recording and live applications alike. A classic tube amp through and through, the Deluxe is powered by a total of 9 valves and includes built-in tremolo, spring reverb, and a 2-band EQ for a variety of lush tones and sound sculpting options. While the Fender 65 Deluxe Reverb features a well-rounded design that balances power and size, its tube-based architecture includes plenty of transformers and other dense electronic components that make it considerably heavy. Still, it can handle the road miles, as shown in the above photo. If you're looking for the same Fender black panel tone and design philosophy in a slightly easier-to-carry package, the 34-pound 65 Princeton Reverb is a fantastic alternative that's just as suitable for studio and stage applications with a slightly brighter and quieter sound profile. Number 2. Roland JC40 Jazz Chorus. This classic solid-state guitar amp features some of the best clean tones on the market and comes equipped with stereo speakers and lots of connectivity options, making it a great choice for at-home practice and recording. Roland's Jazz Chorus line of solid-state amplifiers was an instant hit with the introduction of the JC120 in 1975, which offered tons of clean headroom and stereo effects in an easier-to-maintain alternative to the tube amplifiers of the time. Weighing in at 34.8 pounds, the Roland JC40 Jazz Chorus packs the same rock-solid build quality and pristinely clean tone of its predecessors into a home-friendly package with a few modern appointments that make it a very flexible tool for creativity. In addition to including built-in reverb, vibrato, chorus, and distortion effects, the JC40 features 2 front panel stereo inputs, a headphones output, and a stereo line output alongside a dedicated effects loop in the rear. These connectivity options make it one of the best guitar amplifiers for integrating with an existing home recording setup. The JC40's ultra-clean solid-state design also plays very well with outboard effects, allowing players to access their existing pedals' full depth and character. Number 3. ZT Amplifiers Lunchbox Reverb Combo Amp. The ZT Lunchbox packs a remarkable 100 watts of power into its compact and portable 9.5-pound design. The ZT Lunchbox is one of the most powerful small amps on the market, with a generous 100 watts of amplification that give it the ability to hold its own in loud rehearsals and performances despite weighing only 9.5 pounds. To keep it small and lightweight, the Lunchbox features a solid-state design with a single 6.5-inch speaker and basic onboard tone controls, including a 2-band EQ plus an integrated reverb. This gives the Lunchbox a moderately wide range of tone and volume capabilities in a small package, making it an excellent option for commuting musicians or those who live and work in small spaces. Because of its relatively small cabinet and speaker, the ZT Lunchbox has a mid-range forward sound that is somewhat lacking in low-frequency fullness. This can be mitigated using the amp's 8-ohm speaker output, which connects to a separately sold companion extension cabinet to boost the rig's overall volume and low-end punch. The Lunchbox also features a built-in headphones output and a switch that mutes the built-in speaker, making it a solid option for silent practice applications. Number 4. Positive Grid Spark 40-watt amp. The Positive Grid Spark features a huge number of effects and tonal options combined with recording interface functionality in an affordable package. The Positive Grid Spark is a compact amp with plenty of unique features and creative flexibility despite its budget-friendly $300 price tag. In addition to being a portable modeling guitar amp with over 10,000 accessible effects presets, the Spark also functions as a Bluetooth companion speaker for playing along with backing tracks and a USB-enabled audio interface for recording your guitar straight to a computer. This makes the Spark a uniquely appealing option for beginning guitarists who want to learn their favorite songs or begin sketching out their own original recordings in GarageBand. The Spark features 40 watts of power, weighs just under 12 pounds, and packs two 4-inch speakers, giving it ample volume with a slightly muffled sound that can be sculpted and adjusted using the amp's onboard EQ or through the Spark smartphone app. While the Spark app provides access to many of the amp's basic features and lets you browse and load its virtual signal chains, would prefer if the amp relied a bit less on the smartphone app and offered a more robust standalone user experience out of the box. Still, after using the app to make some global adjustments to the amp's sound, the Spark proves to be an inspiring option for creativity and home use. And while the 40-watt Spark is plenty portable, the Spark Mini, its smaller sibling, is even more so, making it a perfect party speaker if you're the type that likes to shred at a shindig.